Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will take up your some queries that you have written in the comment section and asked in our Telegram group. So I definitely watch all of your comments and all of your doubts. So I will try to answer some of your comments, some of your questions in this video. So the first question is that completed my HR on 20th of November, but not get any mail. When we will get the boarding pass or date of joining? When why the cognizant is delaying for sending the offer letter? And specifically the candidates from 20th of November HR round and 13th of November HR round, they are facing some problems in receiving the offer letter. So the cognizant is sending rejection mail also to the candidates who are not eligible. So I will take up all of these questions in this video and try to answer. So before that, let's look at the comment section and take up some of your queries. So the future set is asking that I have 1 year gap between after HS 2013 and before diploma, then completed BTech 2020. Am I eligible or not? So if you are following my channel honestly, then I have made a video regarding the eligibility criteria. Okay, so there is clearly written that there are 2 year gaps are allowed for this cognizant process. So if you have 1 year gap, then you are definitely eligible. So there will be no problem regarding this. So the next question is from Bindu. I have 1 year gap between BTech and MTech. I completed my MTech in 4 years instead of 2 years. Then in this case, can I expect offer letter from Cognizant? See, the year gap is considered up to the graduation, not after the graduation. Okay. So if you have 2 year gaps, then that will not matter. So you are definitely eligible. So I completed my next question is that from Telkar. I completed my CTS HR round last month 15th of November. No update from CTS. I'm from ECE background. Is this selected or rejected? Okay, if you have completed your HR round, then don't worry, you are selected. And some candidates are facing some issue uh, from the candidates who have given the HR round on 13th of November and 20th of November. So they are facing some issue. So I have made a video specifically on those candidates. So you can watch the video on my channel, and then you will get your answer, because there are a lot of points that you need to remember. But don't worry, you will receive your offer letter. After completing the 12th, I complete my the ITI course. How can I upload the document? If you have done the diploma, you can obviously upload your diploma certificate. And there is an issue that some candidates are having less than 60% in 12th, but more than 60% in diploma. So I think the in the certificate, if you have less than 60%, then don't upload that. So instead of uploading 12th class certificate, you can upload your diploma certificate. That will be helpful to you. Otherwise, if they find that your marks are below 60%, then they can reject your application. So it's better to not to upload the documents. If possible, upload your documents where you have scored more than 60%. I completed my technical round on November of 16th, and also I completed my HR round on December 2nd regarding documents. So when will I get offer letter? Up to now, there is no update or no survey mail from the cognizant. So the candidates are facing some issue. I have made a video on that. You can refer to that video. That it will be taking some time to issue your offer letter. So the candidates who have completed their HR round, they can be assured that they will get the offer letter sooner or later, but it will take some time. So you can watch the video. I have elaborately described about the issue, and also suggested some solutions regarding that. So bro, I get mail that your onboarding will be on January 2022 and didn't get date of joining date yet. I completed HR on November 10th and pre-joining on 25th November, but still I didn't get DOG mail. When can I expect? Yes, it will take some time. So what you can do, I think you have got your offer letter, and next will be your background verification and pre-joining formalities. Then only you will get your date of joining. So it will take some time. You have to wait. So I have tried to answer all of your queries, but I think one thing I need to mention that the number of likes is very less. It is only 20. So please like our videos. That gives us a motivation to make more videos and help the candidates. And if they have any queries, I can answer your queries. Please join our Telegram group where there are more than 1000 members, so they can also take up your questions. Otherwise, you can also use the comment section of this video to ask your queries. If this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more future updates.